it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Make Breakfast With Me video. I just love taking a bit more time on the weekends to really make something that I'm like super craving, because during the week I pretty much drink smoothies every day for breakfast. So I think I'm going to make some air fryer like spiced potatoes with a vegan grilled cheese and ham sandwich, and then a special new kind of latte that I have been playing with, which is by the brand Mudwater. So this video is sponsored by Mudwater and more on that later, but I am just craving a cozy kind of brunchy breakfast. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. So I thought this morning I would turn on my camera again while I was making brunch because it's the weekend and I was taking a little bit more time this morning. So I just started off by chopping up some potatoes into bite-sized pieces, and then I just added them to a mixing bowl with some oil, some paprika spice mix, and some, I think this was like a Greek spice mix, and then I just added some salt and stirred that all up to get it nice and coated, and then I popped that in the air fryer on 400 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, and then I put them on for another 15 minutes after that. So then I am making some of this Mudwater. So this was sent to me to try and I just thought it was so cool. So Mudwater is a coffee alternative and it has all organic ingredients that were added for the health and performance benefits. So it has 1/7 of the caffeine content of coffee and gives you natural energy, focus, and more without jitters or like a caffeine crash. And they also sent this book that has recipes, and I thought the names of them were just so cool. And then the last thing was this Mudwater brand creamer. So this is coconut milk and MCT oil, and I used it in this drink, so I'll show you how I made it. So I did 3 teaspoons of the Mudwater powder plus some hot water. I just got this out of my espresso machine because it's kind of like the perfect temperature, I find. And then I just added in a teaspoon of the Mudwater creamer. So you can try Mudwater today and get 15% off their starter kit by clicking the link in the description box below and using the code LIVB. So once I was done that, it was time to make the sandwich. So I just used some sourdough bread from a local bakery and added some vegan butter. And then I added some vegan cheese and seitan ham that is from our local vegan butcher shop called Real Fake Meats. It's so good. And then I learned this tip from Greg. If you put it on kind of like a low to medium heat and add a lid, it helps the cheese melt without burning the grilled cheese. So it makes the perfect golden brown grilled cheese every time. You guys have to try it. And then I just added that with the potatoes, and it was just so simple. It honestly reminds me of stuff I used to eat when I was a kid, and it's exactly what I needed on this particular morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little make breakfast with me, and I will see you next time. Bye. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of you enjoyed it the last time that I just kind of threw on my camera when I was making breakfast. I pretty much during the week always have smoothies for breakfast, so on the weekends when I take a bit more time, I feel like it's interesting to just see the other stuff that I eat, because most of the time it is a smoothie, but sometimes it is fun recipes like this. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, but that is everything for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!